So I have another example. So I want to delete the items. So delete all these. True. Item name, item underscore name is equal input enter item name to delete dot title. If item name is equal empty, if it's empty, make break. If item name in menu, so sure is equal input sure input are you sure, are you sure, y in yes or no. If sure is equal y menu dot hop item name and print. I will print the message. Printing is item name has been deleted. So else print item not found. Item not found if the item name is not in the menu. So and then print the new menu for item price item and the price in menu dot items print a string item price and then the price I want to two numbers after point IQD. Okay, Python l.py. I want to delete. Okay. I want to delete pizza margherita. Yes. And then okay. .f. Okay. Now I want to make another thing. So I want to update. How to make update? Just change this to update. Okay. If items in menu, yes or no. Yes or no. And new price. Okay, break item in the new main. Sure. Not sure. Price. I want to print the price. Price is equal float. Input enter new price menu.item. Okay, I'll delete this. Menu item name is equal price. So I will print to update, print the message, and else item not found, and then I will print the message. Print, then python l.py. So I want to say goodbye.